You what?
I got scared of the dog.
You got scared of the doggy?
Yeah.
What else?
That's a boy.
That's a boy?
Yes.
It's a statue.
A statue.
A statue.
Did he come us?
What?
We have to go home.
We're going to go home?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We get at Jenny's house.
Yeah, we were at Jenny's house.
We go around.
We what?
We go around.
We go around the neighborhood?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
I'm filming you. What are you doing? Holding your baseball? Can I see it? That's your baseball?
No, hold it.
You want me to hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
I wanna walk myself.
You want to walk by yourself? Okay.
What's that, Mommy?
What is that, Brady? Oh, that's a flag on the mailbox. Don't hold it. It could break. That's not yours. Do you want to sing the mailbox song?
What's the other one?
There's only one. Do you want to sing the mailbox song?
No.
Okay. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go.
That's 4.
That's not 4. That's 10.
What's the doggy?
They're in the house.
What's that?
What is that? A sprinkler.
I'll fall down the sheet.
Okay. Good throw. Come on, big guy.
What's the other stick?
Where's the other stick? I don't know.
Ambulance.
An ambulance? Looks like a truck for a handicapped person. Mm-hmm.